Should be, there we go. That's so great. Hey, welcome back to another out-of-spec overlanding video. We've had the Bronco out on the trails in the snow in Colorado, but we wanted to see what Ford had to offer indoors with their test track, where they have testing the flexing of the suspension and trail turn assist, of course, one of our favorite features. So let's go hop in and see what they have in store for us. We are at the Chicago Auto Show, and their huge exhibit right here has a bunch of different things where they're going to take us through, I guess, tests they call them. First down there is what's called side hill, and we'll see someone coming in just a second. It's actually a two-door. Wow, I thought they were all doing four doors. But they're basically testing the flex of the car, and you can feel just how sideways it'll get. And then right after that is twist ditch right here, which they can test the sway bar disconnects and show just how much flex you can have in the suspension.
You're gonna disconnect under load.
Yeah, you can disconnect it under load actually, which is pretty impressive. And look at how sideways they are down there. And then yeah, the last part is the trail turn before they go up. Bronco Mountain is what they call it, which is not quite as tall as the Jeep Mountain over there. I don't know if they have a little a feud going on, but this is a really cool. Yeah, Jeep Mountain is taller, so it'll be interesting to test this out, and of course, maybe we'll test out the Jeep later. What do you think?
Yeah, sounds good. Let's watch this twist stitch.
Here we go. So yeah, they didn't optimize this for 2 or 4 door. They just did it for both. There he goes. Flexing hard. Basically sitting there on 2 wheels. Love
Two-door
that.
seems to do better at this.
Yeah, that's so great.
Here's a sway bar disconnect. Make sure you say that.
There's a sway bar disconnect.
Come in here in a second.
Should be, there we go. That's so great. This is how I want my Bronco. 2-door. Very, very cool.
That is
Of course, 2 more 4 doors following, and I think all of these are the ones equipped with the Sasquatch package. Rolling right in there.
disconnect.
Sway bar disconnect again.
There's our 2-door.
Is this us?
This is us.
All right.
Thanks so much. Appreciate it.
How's it going?
Hey, how's everything?
Good.
I hope you don't mind, but we're gonna film a little video.
No, go for it. My
Thanks
name's
so
Tyler.
much. Hey, Tyler.
With the seatbelts.
Yep.
And then if one of you have a QR code, you're more than welcome to scan it there if you'd like. What it'll do is it'll film kind of some of your experiences and email it to you.
That's awesome.
Oh, secondary camera angle. Nice. Soft top in this particular one?
Yep, soft top.
Sweet.
First time in a new Bronco?
First
No.
time in a 2-door.
Okay.
2-door.
We had the 4-door in the snow in Colorado for like a week, so
Okay.
this is exciting.
Awesome.
Yeah, we did some off-roading with the 4-door quite a bit in the snow.
Cool.
So you're running low range.
Yep, we are in rock crawl mode, 4 low right now.
Okay.
So this is a Badlands with the Sasquatch package.
Nice.
This is one of my personal favorites.
Yeah.
Same here.
And you
Yep.
got rear diff open right now. Everything's kind of off.
Yep, we got everything off right now on the hero buttons.
So has the sway bar disconnect given you any issues at all?
No.
Doing it over and over?
No.
That's amazing.
Yeah. No, it's pretty impressive. We do about 1,500 laps a day.
Oh my God. And it's
On,
under
off,
load
on,
each
off,
time,
on,
which is
off,
crazy.
yeah. And they just keep going and going and going.
That's great.
All 4 of these vehicles that are going around here, they are the show vehicles, so they just go from show to show to show and keep going.
So they just drive at 2 miles an hour everywhere.
Yeah, we literally have, this has 6,700 miles on it, just doing this. That one issue. So,
That's amazing. So we got a lot of angle on here.
Sideways.
yeah, so I do have the rear lock around right now, because on this particular obstacle, that rear tire does come off the ground a little bit.
Yep.
As you can see on the display, we're sitting at about a 21-degree slope.
Nice.
Very, very stable.
Yeah, these things are just stellar.
Does this one have the 6-cylinder in it?
Yes.
Nice.
Yep. This is what we call our twist ditch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the front and rear locker. That way both front tires and both rear tires rotate together at the same time. In the 2-door, you're going to feel the tires come off the ground a little bit more than the 4-door does.
Right here.
Yep. Right there, that left rear tire is off the ground about a foot.
Yep.
This next one, you're going to feel the right rear come off the ground about 2 feet.
Nice.
So that's still with the stay bar connected. So now we'll do this. Obviously, Bronco's the only one on the market you can do it mid-obstacle.
Love
Under
that.
load. There you
Yeah,
go.
under load. Got all 4 tires back on the ground, getting good traction.
That stays disconnected under 20 miles an hour?
Correct, yep. And then obviously that's something you want connected on the freeway. So if you do forget,
Yeah.
Bronco will automatically do it for you.
So now you've unlocked the diffs, obviously,
Yep.
to do trail turn.
Exactly. Yep. We'll get to go right for you guys.
Nice.
Oh, sweet.
So yeah, trail turn, full lock of the steering wheel to the right. It'll lock up that right rear inside tire.
Wow.
Yeah, we have a whole video kind of going in depth on this system. We really loved shooting it.
Yeah.
The turn assist in the snow was great.
What's cool too, one button obviously works to the right, works to the left.
Nice.
Such a good system. And so when you run it in 4 low, do you lock it in manual first gear for the obstacle?
Nope,
Just
we're still
leave it in
in
drive.
right now. Yep.
That's
So
impressive.
we'll go lockers again for going up Bronco Mountain.
Okay.
With that center button, we're going to activate trail control. I'm going to set it at 3.5 miles an hour. It's basically cruise control for going slow. My foot is completely off the gas pedal.
Nice.
Bronco's taking over. We can go 1 mile an hour all the way up to 10 miles an hour just with the cruise control button.
32 degrees, wow.
Yeah.
Not as aggressive as earlier obstacles, though.
Yeah. Now we're going to turn off all the fancy stuff. Now I'm going to go to manual first gear and show you guys just engine braking.
Oh,
this
neat.
is no brakes. Strictly just engine braking.
Nice.
No trail control, nothing like that.
I need to do this.
Yeah. And that is the 2021 Bronco.
Rad.
What is this little button you have on the dash there?
That's just to activate the camera.
Oh, I
Yep,
see. Okay,
yep.
cool. So nothing for like cooling.
No.
Do you have anything hooked up to the auxiliary switches on these?
Nope, nothing picked up
So
on
it's
this.
totally stock.
Yep.
Love it.
That's
Fully out of the
awesome.
box, Yep.
Well, thanks, Tyler.
Awesome.
Really
Thank you guys.
appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
Yeah,
Nice
that was
meeting you.
sweet. Thanks
Yes,
again.
thank
Thanks for the
you.
ride.
Yeah, appreciate
All right,
it.
we'll see ya.
Thank